Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Craves. Today we are going to make a date cake. This is a rich date cake with crunchy bits of fruits and nuts at every bite. This recipe doesn't require creaming of the butter and sugar for ages. This is a quick and easy date cake recipe. Before getting into the video, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Begin by taking 1½ cup or 350 grams of chopped and pitted dates in a pan. Add 3/4 cup of water. Cook until it comes to a boil. This will take 2 to 3 minutes. Now turn off the stove. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and give a good mix. This will soften the dates. While it's still hot, add in ½ cup of butter and ½ cup of sugar. Leave it for 15 minutes. Then blend them for a few seconds. Now preheat the oven at 175 degrees Celsius. Take 2 eggs. Beat them for 2 minutes. Transfer to a bigger bowl. Then pour in the dates mixture and beat for a further 2 minutes. If you have not subscribed to Cooking Craves, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more amazing recipes in the future. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You will skip it, and it will still be good. Next, sift in 1½ cup of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. If you are using unsalted butter, add 1 pinch of salt. Mix it with the dates mixture. Make sure not to overmix. Then add in 2 tablespoons of raisins, 2 tablespoons of chopped nuts, and 2 tablespoons of chopped dates and mix them all. Pour the batter into an 8 by 8 baking pan lined with baking paper. Level the top with the spatula, then tap it twice, and bake it for 40 minutes. You can check it after 40 minutes. The cake is done if a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Let it cool down and cut into equal pieces. The complete list of ingredients is given at the end of the video. Do try this recipe and tell how it turned out. Don't forget to check other recipes by Cooking Craves. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Do check out our other recipes.